Hi, my name is Abe Perez. I'm the drummer slash percussionist in the band Glasspirits. I have at this time 9 drum sets, and I have 3 LP sets of congas, and then I have 4 sets of bongos. They're all LPs except for one's a Pearl. I fell in love with it. And I have 3 cajones at this time. So I do endorse Spaun Drums and Scymtek cymbals, and I want to talk a little bit about myself and my influences in music and about my equipment. Okay, so it is a custom made again. It's what you call an exotic wood set. It's a exotic Burl ash, very, very nice, beautiful wood. They actually make sheets of that, and they put it over the maple. All my drum sets that are wood are North American rock maple. That's the highest end wood you can use for drums. And then this particular set has, like I said, a cover over it of the exotic wood, the exotic Burl ash. And then I had them put a see-through whitewash. So the drum looks white, but when you get up close, you can see the grain of the wood, of the exotic Burl ash. And on top of that, I had a cross put on each drum in red. And then I have red and gold hardware, 24 karat gold lugs with red hoops. And the snare has 2 big red crosses, and all the drums has a big red cross. And then the bass drums both have a cross on them. And I'm not plugging any denomination, but I do believe in God, and I do show that I am a believer in God. And I was raised Catholic as far as that goes. So that's just a set that shows the spiritual side of me.
You want to see us live? Track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my crimes will seem more